thunderstorm warning for Henderson County, Warren County, Southern Mercer County, Des Moines County, Southeastern Louisa County, Northeastern Lee County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Minneapolis to near Dallas City, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind